Good morning. I'm going to start with our morning message. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd. It is Earth Day. That's why I have a Happy Earth Day hat on. Now, I sent a link to your parents so they can either print the hat out, and it comes with the little extender bands you can design, or you can try to design your own. I'll keep it on because it's cool. All right, I'm gonna start by reading a book about Earth Day. As I read, I want you to pay attention to ways that we can help our Earth because we are going to be making a web when we're done. It says, we can help our planet Earth. It has the Earth with hearts around it because we love Earth. It's the planet that we live on. All right. We can pick up garbage. You can also make sure your garbage goes into the garbage can. You don't want it to get on the ground. That's called littering. We can turn the lights off. If you are in a room, when you leave, turn the light off, unless somebody else is in there. But if you're the only one in the room and you're leaving, turn the lights off. It saves electricity. We can turn water off. So not only turn the lights off, but turn the water off too. It saves our fresh water. Ooh, I think some of you did this last week or might do it this week or next week. We can plant flowers and trees. I know a couple of you already have. We can learn how to recycle things. Do you recycle at home? What does it look like he's recycling? Maybe some plastic pop bottles. We can donate our old toys and books. So we can reuse things. Do you ever go to garage sales and you see a toy that you like and you get it? Or do you have garage sales at your house or grandparents' house and get rid of some of your old things? We reuse things. We can clean up after our pet. I know when I take my dogs outside, I always bring a potty bag with me to clean up after them. It's gross, but we have to keep the earth nice, especially for those friends that like to take walks outside. We can show and tell others how much we love our planet Earth. All right, now we are going to be making a web together. I'm just going to erase my good morning board. If you want to get a piece of paper and a writing utensil, it could be a pencil, a marker, a pen. I'll use my blue marker. Okay. So, in the middle, you're going to make a shape that's kind of like a cloud. And inside we are going to put Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Maybe even day. Earth Day. D-A-Y. So it should look like this. Earth Day. Do you remember one of the things in the story that they said that you can do to help protect the Earth? We're going to be making lines and labeling different ways we can help keep the Earth clean and protect it. I'm going to start with pick up garbage. Pick up garbage. Now you can either sound it out or wait for me to hold up the board and then pause the video so that you can spell it just like I did. You're going to be choosing one later. So you can pick up garbage. You can turn the lights, when you leave the room. Turn the lights and the water off. I'm gonna put, maybe we'll make two separate ones. Turn off the lights and turn off the water. Remember, if I'm going too quickly for you, you can just pause the video. Turn off the lights, turn off the water. Okay, the next thing. They said you can plant trees and flowers. I'm just going to keep it short and put plants, flowers, plant, flowers. You can put and trees if you'd like. Another thing you can do is recycle. Recycle. R-E-C-Y-C-L-E. That's kind of a tricky word, recycle. And the last thing they said was to reuse. Reuse. There we go. Reuse. So, things we can do to help our earth are pick up garbage, turn off the lights, turn off the water, plant flowers, recycle, and reuse. Now that we have our web done, you are going to choose one to write about. I wrote, get my notebook. I put the date, 4/22/20. I drew two boxes, one with a can and one with paper, and I labeled it recycle. And my sentence starts with a capital letter. I left my finger spaces, can protect the earth by recycling, period. I can protect the earth by recycling. I started with a capital letter, I left my finger spaces, I used neat handwriting, I ended with a period, and my sentence makes sense. Now, if you want to choose more than one, go ahead, but I only did one. So if you do this, please take a picture and send it to me. And happy Earth Day. Next, let me get these off to the side. We are going to be going over our popcorn words, the same ones as yesterday. I'm gonna put the word up. I wanna see if you can remember it. Then I will go over it with you. And if you want today, you can continue rainbow writing. If not these words, then words that you might struggle with. Or if you know all the popcorn words, find words that you don't know and ask your parent or whoever's helping you with your learning what the word is, and then practice it for the week. So A-W-A-Y. Do you remember what this word is? Away. T-H-E-R-E. There. H-E-R-E. Here. W-H-E-R-E. Where? T-H-E-Y. They. All right, popcorn word practice. All right, CVC. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Yesterday we played a game with CVC words. We wrote the words n, ap, nap, w, e, b, web, f, I, n, fin, o, a, g, log, and g, a, m, gum. Today we're going to start an activity with these words, and then we're gonna finish it tomorrow. So what you will need is a piece of paper cut up into 5 little cards and a piece of plain computer paper. We are going to start with the small cards. Get a marker. Let's see, I'm gonna choose orange. Okay, on the first card, you're going to put the number 1. And then you are going to spell nap. You already have the word nap on your paper, so just copy it on there. I'll show you what I mean. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. So number 1, nap. Number 2, web. Number 2, web. Number 3, fin. Fin. Number 4, log. O-log. Log. And number 5, oh, I made an extra one. Gum. Gum. So you have nap, web, fin, log, and gum. Set those aside. You're going to need them tomorrow, so hold on to them. Then, with your computer paper, you are going to fold it in half, tall like a building. Match up the corners, fold down the middle, and you open it up. I'm going to put my name at the top. You'll put your name at the top. And I'm going to draw a line down the middle, like this. Now I'm going to write the numbers. I'm going to make sure I leave a little space in between each number, 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Then I'm going to draw a picture of each of our CVC words. You're gonna do the same ones as I do. For number 1, you are going to draw a log. Like this. I just drew a circle, line, line, curved line, log. The second one, you are going to draw a fish that has a fin. I'm just gonna choose red. I'm gonna draw an easy fish with a fin and an arrow pointing to the fin. Like this. Fish, fin. It doesn't need to be a complicated drawing. All I did was I started here, looped around, made the tail, added the fin, face, and gills. Number 3, nap. I'm gonna choose just my black crayon. I'm going to draw an easy nap face. Nap with the Z's. Number 4, I'm going to draw a piece of gum. I'm going to use my pink. I'm just going to draw like a long rectangle and color the ends pink. Like that, like a stick of gum. And number 5, a web. I think I'm going to use my gray crayon for a web. Now I'm going to show you how to draw an easy web. So you make a big plus sign, then you make an X in your plus sign, And then you add little lines that connect each. Oh, I'll show you. They're a curved line, kind of like a U, like that. I just took my crayon and kind of swooped, and then I'm gonna do another layer like that. There we go. I did the same thing just out here. Then you can even add a little spider dangling if you would like. Maybe I'll just add a quick one. How many legs does a spider have? 8. All right, one more thing to do to your paper before we're done with this activity for the day. Beside each picture on the other side, you're just going to make a line. Two, 3, 4, 5. Maybe I'll even put my numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your paper should look like this now. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Keep this for tomorrow. Set that off to the side. Yesterday, you should have done the CVC blending practice page that looked like this. I'm just gonna go over the answers, so if you have yours from yesterday still, you can check your answers real quick. So I have J, A, jam, A, P, map. You can even be sounding these out on your arm. S, A, T, sat, W, E, B, web, B, E, D, bed, T, E, N, 10, and J, E, T, jet. Today, you're going to be doing the word practice 2, and the first pictures at the top are a ball, B, 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 an igloo, I, and a goat, G, G, G. So if I put B, I, and G together, B, I, G, big, the word is big. So go ahead and practice with your second CVC activity. And that's all we have for today's morning message. I hope you have a happy Earth Day, and if you do make your own crown or print it out, take a picture and maybe send it with your Earth Day activity. I'll see you in our math video. See you later.